So if you're facing a login loop over on your Epic Games, so in today's tutorial we're gonna learn how you can fix it. Whenever you try to log in to your Epic Games account, it will redirect you again to the login page. So first of all, simply close your Epic Games launcher and also check that if it is running in the background, to also close it from the task manager. So once you're done, you have to press Windows plus R, and here you have to type person's local app data person, and it will bring you to this page. Here you will find Epic Games and Epic Games Launcher, so you have to delete both these folders. Just simply click on delete. Alright, so after that what you're gonna do, you have to go to your control panel right there, and over here you have to search for uninstall, and in programs and features you will find change or remove a program in the end, and all the programs installed in your computer will be displayed to you. Here you will have to find Epic Games. Here I have Epic Games Launcher. Just simply click on and click on repair, and here you have to find the repair file and you have to repair your Epic Games Launcher. I've already repaired it, so I'm not gonna do this again. Then you have to go to properties of Epic Games Launcher shortcut and go to compatibility, and over there click on change settings for all users and just check run this program as an administrator. Hit OK and again OK. Now just simply run the launcher. And here we go, you can see now I successfully logged into my Epic Games store. So this is basically how you can get rid of this problem. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.